buddy. Hey, buddy. Little Ziggy's outside today. Huh? Yeah, this is the second time he's been outside. We had to fix up the cage and make sure there was no little holes, because there were some holes down the bottom, and even these little things I wanted to make sure that he couldn't get through. But we've done that, so now he gets his outside time, don't ya? Getting that vitamin D? And while he's in there, we got Smidgy over here. Hey, baby. Oh, darling. And she just had a bath, so she's a little bit messy, aren't you, darling? Yeah, I know, I'm risking it. You probably snipped off about, what, 5 feathers by now? Probably. This is what she does the minute the collar's off. But I can't control that. She has to have some off time, and she has to get that sun, and we just had a nice beautiful bath, didn't we? Then you open your wings up, you have a proper big bath like the birdies do. Yeah. She loves being outside though. Lots of birds coming around to visit her. Every time I come out here there's about 20 or 30 birds that fly off. I think they live in that tree up there. But that's okay, isn't it? Yeah. Good girl. You stinky pants. I have to get some more stuff in this cage, but it's been raining and raining and raining, hasn't it? This is the first beautiful day we've had in a while, so we thought we'd get her back out and pop her in the cage, won't we? Yep. Yep. And we're doing the perch. We have to finish that off, so we're going to get a perch in there for her that's a little bit better with the food bowls on it and all that, aren't we? Yeah. Yeah. But she loves it in here. She does. Zoom in a little bit. Hello, sweetie. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hey, my little fuzzy fuzzball. She's very happy. Soaking up the sun.